Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to compare things in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say two things are equal, different, or that one has more, less than other. Okay, we have this interesting topic, comparative with as, not as, less than, as much as many. This topic is very useful for you in the next week because it's really useful for you. Okay. What we are going to learn today, how I say the first, we are going to learn about comparative with the as and the others. Okay, look at the students. Randall, can you tell me what can you see in this picture?
Yes, in this picture, I can see two shadows. I think they are children. And they are like holding their hands in front of each other.
Yes. You, Alexis,
Can you repeat, please?
what can you see in this picture?
A text?
What?
I can see very good, very well.
Okay. What about you, Rachel?
I see two children playing together, and they look about the same age.
Yes, exactly. Well, the first form on this, that first rule, we are going to learn about the comparative as and as. This is the rule: as plus adjective plus as. When do we use this? We use this when we have two things that are equal. It means two things are equal, is the same things. For example, Juan is as tall as Pedro. It means that they have the same, they are the same in height. Well, can you read this, Randall?
My car is as fast as yours.
What means this when you read this? Is as fast as yours. Can you describe this? Or what is trying to say us?
I consider that well, it's using um, possessive adjectives like my and yours. So it's mean that my car is as fast as the other person's car.
Okay.
So
The
there's
rule.
an equality.
Don't forget that we use as when two things are equals. As fast as yours. It's like I don't know how to explain this, but it's the same. It's when two things are equal. You have to put in your mind this. Don't forget it. Now, the first question is a cat as big as an elephant? Alexis, can you tell me if you can answer this question?
No, it's not. No,
You, Randall, can you answer this question? Is a cat
Yes,
as
the
big as
answer
an
is no.
elephant?
The answer is no. A cat is not as big as an elephant.
Not, it's not as well, Randall. You're right. Okay. The second topic is the contract. Not as plus adjective plus as. Okay, what can you see in this photo, Rachel? Rachel.
I see two animals.
Okay. And you, Alexis? Sorry. Alexis. Alexis.
I can see elephant and turtle.
Okay, what about you, Randall? Wait, wait. Sorry. Randall, what can you see?
What I see?
Yes. What can you see?
I see two animals. A big one, the elephant, and a small one, the turtle.
Okay. You can realize this, that in this topic, we are going to learn not the same. Here is different where we use to this form, not as plus adjective plus as. For example, a cat. Sorry, I don't know what happened with my. Okay. A cat is not as big as an elephant. It means that are totally different. A cat is different and is bigger than elephant. Okay, this is the contract and the as. This is the contract. Can you read the second example, Rachel?
Yes. French is not as easy as English.
Okay, Randall, can you tell me what do you think about this form? Or I mean, it's different than the first one.
Yes.
It's different
I
or
mean,
are
the
the same?
structure,
Uh-huh.
it's different because the structure add the negative, a negative element, the not,
Uh-huh.
to let's say deny quality.
Okay.
So we are emphasizing that something is not equal.
Yeah, you're right. And you, Alexis, can you tell me what's the difference with this structure and this structure?
Well, and as plus adjective and
As.
not as plus adjective plus as is when you are going to talk about when you are compared to
Okay.
things, but it's isn't quality.
Right, you're totally right. And you, Rachel?
Uh, The difference is that as is for talking about things that are the same, maybe, and not as is for talking about things that are not the same.
Wow, you are exactly, guys. Okay. Well, so I hope you learn this difference so you can answer this question. Is a bicycle as fast as a car? Can you answer, Rachel? Remember, you have to use this structure for answer this question. Rachel? Or,
And n-
okay,
Can I tell you?
yes, but Rachel, if you can answer this or not, it doesn't matter
sí
if you
puede
can answer.
responder Giovanni.
Okay,
Well, I think the answer is bicycle not as fast as a car.
yes, you're right. Randall, do you agree?
I think it is necessary also the verb to be. A bicycle is not. I think it's necessary. The is not.
It's not us.
Mhm.
Wow, Rana, you complete that the sentences of Alexis. But you are right, guys. Okay, so we have to pass the next topic, that is structure. Okay, Randall, what can you see here? Randall.
I don't know, teacher. I think it's yeah. I think it's a father with his children playing with toys.
Um, yes. Okay, the structure here. What do you think when you see this structure, Randall?
Well, when I read the word less, I think about something that is subtracting,
Okay.
that is less, subtract something.
Mhm.
And then it means like que. So I think it's less than something else.
Okay,
Es menos que algo más.
you're right. Alexis, can you tell me something about this?
Well, I think it's very easy this structure because when you are going to compare something about what is less and what is more,
Or less funny than, less funny. I know what are
uh,
you trying to say.
let's try to compare about what thing is less to do or maybe less when we want to talk. And but you need to compare to two things and what is better and what is bad.
Okay. What about you, Rachel?
And when we talk about something that is less than something else, like the examples we see,
Okay, you're right. Okay, guys, can you read the Randall the first, and Alexis the second, and Rachel in the last?
Yes. English is less difficult than French.
Okay, Alexis. Alexis, can you read the second sentence?
Uh, this phone is less expensive than the one.
Okay, Rachel.
the city is less crowded than Lima.
Okay, guys,
Correct.
you're good. Okay, the second. Oh, this is very interesting for you. You have to
Yes, sir.
remember always this, and as many and
Yes,
as
sir.
much. I hope you know what is the difference with many and much. If you don't know, when do we use many, we use when countable nouns. Okay.
Obviously, obviously.
For example, an apple. If you can count an apple, one apple, two apples, three apples, four apples, it's countable now. But the water, you cannot count. You cannot say two waters, three waters. That's why we say a glass of water, a bottle of water. Okay, you have to use as many with countable nouns and as much with uncountable nouns. For example, with water we use much. If you can count, we use many. Okay, you can see here the structure: as many plus countable noun plus as. Can you read the first example, Rachel?
Yes, I have as many boots as you.
Okay, what do you understand when you read this? or what you tell me, or what is the meaning of this? As many books as you.
Uh, well, I have more books than you.
Well, but you have to. Yes, you're right. As many books as you, but you don't have more than him. You have the same. So it means tú tienes muchos
But
libros
you
igual
want
que
the
yo.
meaning.
O sea, esto es un comparativo. Solo que acá dice yo tengo tantos libros o muchos libros, tanto como tú. Acá no hay una diferencia.
So this is the level more, because I think, like,
Just
right, right,
just
Randall.
just concentrate in this. As many as
Yes, I think that it's like as many, tantos, and the same, right? Like
yes,
yo tengo tantos libros
como
como
tú.
tú. Tipo, como que no es more, sino que, aunque dice many, porque es como una cantidad,
Mucho.
¿no? Pero
Yes,
no,
Yes.
no más, ¿no?
yes. Thank you, Randall, for explaining them. So, Alexis, can you read the second sentence?
Wait a minute, please. The picture is down. Okay. The
Okay.
second,
Yes.
there are as many students as teachers.
Okay. Now we have to concentrate in the second. As much plus uncountable now plus us. He is totally different than many. That you remember that I said we use much when with uncountable nouns, right? Okay. You have here the first example. I have as much money as you. Can you tell me about this, Alexis? I have as much money as you.
What do you want, teacher?
What do you think about this? Well, what are you trying to know that?
In Spanish,
Yes, if you can tell,
you
if you
think,
can talk in English, you can tell me in English. But if you feel
but
more
the
confident
meaning is
in Spanish,
when
okay.
you, but I think the meaning is when you have a lot of money of other person, then other person. For example, I you have 31 souls, and I have 10 souls. You you are going to or you are comparing about the money.
Thank you for explaining, but you have to remember that all of this is comparative. Not is different. All both are the same. You have to remember this. I have as many books as you. Yo tengo tantos libros como tú. Remember,
Sorry,
recuerda que también tienes que,
I
acá dice,
didn't
yo tengo mucho
notice.
dinero tanto como tú. Okay?
Sorry, I didn't notice.
Wait, okay. Rachel,
Ah,
can you read the, thank you, Alexis. Rachel, can you read the second sentence?
Uh, yes. She drinks as much water as her brother.
Can you tell me this? Can you explain me this sentence?
Sí, que ambos toman la misma cantidad de agua.
Okay, you're right. Okay. Well, guys, here I have a mini test for you. We're going to do this. Okay, you have to complete Randall the first, Alexis this, Rachel, Randall, and Alexis. Rachel is looking. Only it's gonna do only one. Okay, Randall, can you complete this?
Talking.
Can you complete?
My brother is as tall as me.
Okay, Randall, you're right. Alexis,
This car is not as expensive as that you want.
as expensive as that one.
Yes.
Okay, Rachel.
I have as many books as you.
Right. Randall, can you again read this? Can you complete?
Um, she has as much money as her sister.
Right. Good. Alexis, the last sentence.
I don't want to tell you because well I will try. Try. English is more difficult than French
Okay, but why you use more if we
because
don't talk
because this
we are
in
don't
this
talking with
word I
more.
think because in this word
Remember this structure.
but you had put then
Look this. Then. English is
but
Teacher, it's comparative with the than,
comparative is more.
so it's more.
Yes, I'm right. You're you're wrong.
no, Mira, right. English is less difficult than French. It means that not all of this is not the same. You have to put in your mind this.
Bro, you are you are
No,
comparing.
yes, but I
That also the
English.
word is then. Then we use when we are going to compare.
Look this, bro.
Remember.
But look this
Ah,
structure.
ah. Sorry,
Teacher,
sorry.
just less? Can we
Just
just use less?
We have to use the structure that we are talking, not others, not other words.
don't laugh, Rachel. Don't laugh. I'm sorry, but
So
I didn't.
just focus in this structure and complete the sentence.
Well, I think it was more because you're right. French is less
Yes,
difficult. I didn't know.
you are completely right, guy. It's more with when
But
if we are talking about
I think
comparative
for me
more,
English is more difficult.
but
But what do you think, teacher?
it's you have
English is
to
more
use
difficult or less?
it's less. You have to use the topic we are talking about, right?
I know.
So I think you're right, guys. I think it
Thank
is
you.
more personally
Thank
because
you, teacher.
what?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, you have well here can be more also, but we have to use the structure less. English is less difficult than French.